Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram verification code problem solve on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will just go down. We will click here on apps and we will come here to apps window. We will go down here to looking for Telegram app in this is window and we will just go down. We will click here on Telegram and we will come here to next window. We will click here on for stop, then we will click here on OK, and we will click here on storage, then we will click here on clear cache, and we will click here on manage storage, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about all Telegram settings.